System initialized. Chapter 4. Initiating the RaccoonBot Joystick App Guide. Welcome to the RaccoonBot training session. This session introduces the dedicated app for controlling the RaccoonBot via mobile devices. Search for RaccoonBot in the app market to install the joystick application. The app supports both iOS and Android and can also be installed by scanning the QR code on the screen. Launch the app and select Allow. Tap the Connect button to open the Bluetooth settings. Tap the Connect button to complete the RaccoonBot pairing. You can also assign a custom name using the Edit Name button. Once activated, you can freely control each joint of the RaccoonBot. Perform object transport and various physical motion simulations. Synchronizing a peripheral device such as a conveyor belt enables advanced robot control and integration training. Learn the principles of actual robot control mechanisms and automation processes through intuitive operations. RaccoonBot App Guide terminated. Switching to standby mode.